So I'm working on this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This is a 5.3. This truck has been having issues for a couple of months. The problem is that every morning you start the truck up, and it's gonna have a rough idle. It's gonna misfire, and as soon as the RPM start dropping, the engine will just stabilize. It'll start running not smooth, but not as bad as misfire. This one has a severe misfire and a rough idle, and it also has problems with injectors on bank 1 on the driver's side. But let me show you what I found on this truck. I want to share this story with you guys. This customer has been having problems with this truck for a couple of months already. This truck was having a problem in the mornings. Every time you start it up, it'll misfire severely. It had a rough idle. Right now, we don't have no check engine light. And let me show you. These are the codes that were in the computer: the P0300, P050D, P1201, P219A, and this one right here, fuel trim cylinder balance bank 1, and the cold start rough idle. There were permanently codes in here. As you can see right now, I don't have any codes, but this problem, I noticed a lot of Chevrolets are having these problems, and a lot of people end up going to the dealership and replacing all the fuel injectors, and $2,000-$3,000 later, wham, your truck is running again. But as you can see, the check engine light is off. He needed the check engine light off because he needed his inspection. He went and got it done today. Overall result passed. What I suggested him to do, I told him to use this injector cleaner. So what he did, he went and bought this injector cleaner. They sell it at O'Reilly's. That's where we bought it from. Just make sure your fuel tank is a quarter tank low, and then you can put this in it and fill it up with fuel, and then just drive it around for maybe 100 miles, low speed, high speeds. Make sure you get it up to temperature. Make sure you at least drive it to 65, 70 miles per hour, and that should take care of it. I did not want to believe this until he come back and he's like, there's no problems with my truck anymore. I'm not making any money out of these, but I don't ever recommend this. But today, I was amazed. This truck is running fine. No misfires. It passed inspection. And there's no need to go to the dealership and replace all your injectors for $2,000 or $3,000. So I hope this helped, guys. Try this first before you go spend a bunch of money. And you ain't got nothing to lose but maybe $20, $30. I hope this helped. I'll see you on the next one. Just real quick, guys. I forgot to mention a couple of things on this vehicle. I had the P0300, P050D, P2101, and the P219A. And I want to elaborate on the P2101 Throttle Actuator Precision Performance. I didn't mention that in the video, but I did remove the throttle body from the air intake. And I ended up cleaning the throttle body in the front and the back. I used mineral spirits, which is a chemical to clean parts, and it's actually safe to use on some of the electrical parts. But you can use carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, but just make sure you spray it on the throttle body and not on the electronic side. And use a sandpaper or toothbrush or some kind of brush to clean it. Do not stick your finger in the butterfly. Do not try to open it. with your hand or with your fingers. Don't force it, because it'll get damaged, and you're gonna create more problems than what you already have. So that's one thing I forgot to mention. And also, I said 100-mile. Drive your car 100 miles, but I meant 100-mile trip, not 100 miles per hour. And and make sure you drive it at different speeds. Make sure as you warm it up to temperature, drive it 40, 50, 60, 70 miles per hour where permitted. And just take your time. I know 100 miles will be probably like maybe 2 hours to complete the trip. But it should take care of that. I still didn't want it to believe that this truck it fits itself just with the injector cleaner, but you don't have nothing to lose but $10-$20, and if it doesn't work, but you're just gonna have to take it to the a repair shop or the dealership. But that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video, guys, and just like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.